right? So for them is today, this year or last year's KPI was 5 events. Next year's KPI is 7 events. Right? Last year's KPI, we had no promotional bulletin. This year, we will have 2 promotional bulletins, one every 6 months. Right? And then last year, we only visited to 10 sites. This year, we'll go to 14 sites, every state. So, thoughts. What do you think of this type of KPI? Would this benefit the customers? That means you're the public, and you're supposed to provide services to the public. Would such KPIs benefit customers? Right? So the issue here, what I'd like to discuss about is, if your KPI does not address your voice of the customer, or voice of the employees, or voice of the business, so your improvement opportunities is going to be skewed, because you will be driven by KPIs that does not matter to any stakeholders. Right? So who are the stakeholders for KPIs like this? Right? So I see it as a problem. Right? The reason why there is a problem is because there is a very limited understanding of what or how do you use measurements. Right? Because the